Hello friends and dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel Master Class with Tapas. Hope you are all doing fine and keeping well. So today I will be talking about whether you wanted to be liked, trusted or respected in a corporate world. हम सब लोग चाहते हैं कि हमें ऑफिस में सब लाइक करे और ट्रस्ट करे और रेस्पेक्ट भी दे. So I am sharing some tips and learning that I have learned through my whole career how to be trusted and respected in office. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel. This is a channel for budding managers like you all. So as human is a social animal, hum sab all liked and respected at work. But being likable doesn't come. We all wanted to be liked. Yes, but perhaps most importantly, in the workplace, we all wanted to be respected too. So हम दोस्तों यही चाहते हैं ना. Respect is so important when it comes to your career development. It comes to play when you higher ups are considering your ideas, when they are choosing you for the people you participate in and the project, and yes, when they are thinking about who is getting the promotion or raises. So those two are important. But too often people associated earning respect with well not being very nice. We are here to tell you that not often right approach. Instead, try some of the ways below that I've learned that so you can make sure your colleague likes and respect you also. You will be on your way to being seen as a leader in no time. सो दोस्तों उसके लिए आपको सो जस्ट फॉलो माय टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स लाइक फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट डू योर जॉब एंड डू इट वेल. आपको काम अच्छी तरह करना पड़ेगा. लाइक slacking off the hurts and the teammate, your success lift them with a your efficiency and attention to detail and overall professionalism affects everyone else in the office and surrounding. Then be someone on whom your colleagues can depend, जो आप पर डिपेंड कर सके. Lend a helping hand when you can. If a co-worker needs the coverage or you have the availability, cover for them. If a colleague needs honest feedback or help with a project and you can provide offer to just that, your colleague will start recognize you as someone whom they can depend upon, they can rely upon. That's the hugely valuable. देन प्रैक्टिस एक्टिव लिसनिंग. आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह सुनना पड़ेगा. पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग an effective communicator is knowing how to listen, and that does not just giving someone else an opportunity to speak, but rather actually hearing them out by giving them your undivided attention. If your coworker feels heard around you, they will want to share more with you, and you will ultimately grow lot closer to them. Then mirror your colleagues' non-verbal communication with an eye contact, which is very very important. A wealth of research suggests that when you mirror the other person's body language in the conversation, they can sense that you are engaged. And you, of course, when you can make an eye contact with someone, that's surefire sign that you are present both physically and mentally. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. देन ऑब्वियसली गिव क्रेडिट व्हेन द क्रेडिट इज़ ड्यू. आपको क्रेडिट देना ही पड़ेगा. बी द पर्सन इन द रूम हु नोज and shows respect by giving credit when the credit is due. If you are being acknowledged for a certain success that you didn't achieve alone, publicly share your gratitude for your team and even call the people out especially for their contribution. This will be well received and appreciated by everyone in the team. Then engage with colleague both in and outside the office. बाहर की पार्टियाँ. So if you don't have the time to make every hour or morning coffee date or lunch with your colleagues, that understandable. But we are now missing those office parties, didn't you? After all, you are not required to spend time with them outside the office. That said, if you can make the time to get to know your colleagues over a cup of coffee or a lunch in a less informal setting, chances are that you will develop a deeper conversation that doesn't necessarily pertains to work, and they might even grow to like with you or more of it. Then share constructive feedback. Feedback शेयर करना इस बहुत ज़रूरी है. When asked for a feedback, don't just let others know that they could have done a better job. Share constructive criticism that will help them to actually do a better job. Explain what they can do better by sharing specifics and outlining your suggestion for them. They will appreciate this over generic or unhelpful comments. Then set boundaries and lead by example. आपको लीड करना ही पड़ेगा. Set boundaries for yourself and then stick to them. If you have certain hours or evenings or weekend that you don't log on to your email or take phone calls, don't. A lot of people, obviously workaholics, are afraid to unplug as they don't want to be considered lazy or unreliable. You can help them to unplug by doing it yourself. The truth is that everyone is better off when they have a little work life balance, and you can be the person to encourage it. Be an advocate for others in the workplace. If you know someone who can do the job well, refer them. If you know someone deserving of a promotion, push for them. Be an advocate for your colleagues, including those below you. Treat everyone as an equal and spend the good word when they have earned it. Then work smarter, not harder. This is the very important these days. Own up to your mistake. Explain. I know sounds a bit sluggish. Give you want to be client to think you are a genius, but trust me, they know nobody is perfect. In fact, your client will probably get a bit of suspicious if you never ever make a single mistake. Admitting when you do, however, shows them you are confident and humble enough to face the music. In my experience, that's a trait most people respect. This applies to your boss, your co-workers too. So आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा याद करना पड़ेगा. Then explain how you are going to fix the problem. That's being said, simply saying you messed up the whole thing, they're not going to anything about that, isn't going to garner your much respect. Instead, you will first up make sure to come up with a plan for how you are going to fix the things. And if you're not sure what to do, try at least to come up with some new option or solution, and then ask the person you are talking to for this, to him or her thoughts on the best possible course of action. So always discuss the problem with your boss or co-worker instead of burning yourself out, which, contrary to the popular belief, will negatively impact your performance, and as such negatively impact your whole office. Spend your time more wisely, prioritize, stick to your personal boundaries, and hone on the tasks instead of trying to constantly multitask. When you do this, you will be far more productive, which obviously benefit to the company, the organization, and the people around you. So friends, if you all like my thoughts, give my channel a huge thumbs up, subscribe it, and till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you. Take care.